Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account parity. Sign into the same Microsoft account on both Xbox and PC so captures sync. Next, enable cloud captures or turn on network transfer on the Xbox. This makes files discoverable. Connect both devices to the same network. Use wired for stability and speed. Once done, open the Xbox app on PC and let it authenticate. This grants file access. These steps remove permission and connectivity blockers, so you can fetch captures reliably. You now locate captures in the Xbox app under Captures or Game DVR. This view shows cloud and console files. Use filters to narrow results by game, date, or type. That's faster than scrolling. Select one or multiple captures, then choose Download or Save to a specific PC folder. For very large files, map the Xbox network share or use the transfer feature to stream directly. This avoids duplicate copies. Make sure downloads finish before closing the app to prevent corruption. You finish by opening transferred captures in your editor or player to verify quality and metadata. This confirms successful transfer. Edit or export using Photos, Clipchamp, or a preferred NLE and save final copies in an organized folder. If a capture is missing or corrupted, first resync your Microsoft account and restart both Xbox and PC, then check that both are on the same subnet. If problems persist, toggle network transfer and re-download. That usually resolves permission or connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.